DXYZ Stock tomorrow, Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is Destiny Tech 100 stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. We're sitting at $29 exactly. Still super bullish, although we're 42% down. But the first few things need to happen for me to pull the trigger. Context: using a strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. So let me show you how am I going to approach this. This, from a 4 hour perspective, is a beautiful demand area, like here, like women right here. I'm honestly definitely going to take it higher, but first I want to see a bullish momentum, and that's going to happen with the double break, and that's how what I have outlined here. Also, this might happen on a lower scale, just for the sake of an example. Um, Here, yeah, I want to see the price do a double break. Only if that happens, then I'm actually going to take it higher. So, uh, yeah, really, like if it doesn't give me that, like the chances are that this is a big bearish momentum. The price just pretty much punctures through the zone, and like because you blindly follow it, you're wrong. I first want to see the bullish momentum, so it's a bullish momentum on a lower time frame and a bullish momentum on a higher time frame, higher probability approach. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.